Dear students, you must be aware of Shubhra Ranjan IAS branch at Patna. Besides preparation for civil services, our Patna branch is dedicated for the preparation of Bihar Public Service Commission. Political science students have always done very well in BPSC. We have already conducted the test series for prelims, and now to help you in sailing through the mains examination, here there is a very focused program under the expert guidance of our faculty. We are launching the special test series for both optional political science as well as GS. Besides GS and political science mains test series, the special attraction for many of you will be from the GS mains crash course. I believe these courses are going to help you and give a big boost to your preparation. The starting date for the GS mains crash course for 67 BPSC and the test series is 20th October. For other details, you can contact our website or meet our regional affiliate at Patna.